Do not lose the moment how to take a screenshot on a Mac. Since Macs have a built-in tool to make taking a screenshot a simply and easy process as how to computer a screen grab, whether you want the whole screen or just part of it. Capturing a screenshot is a simply way to share whatever it is you are seeing on the screen. If it is an error, you can snap a picture and send it to teach sport. If it is a message on social media, you can capture the moment and share the image with your friend and flowers. Screenshot tools for Mac have always been easy to use, yet somewhat you could capture just about anything if you knew the right keyboard shortcut. Since the release of Magev in 2018, macOS now has a built-in screenshot tool similar to what you might find in Windows that allows you to take screen grab with the click of a button. To top the screenshot tools, navigate to launchpad out other screenshot or use the keyboard shortcut shift command 5. the, the floating toolbar will offer option to grab the enter screen a selected windows or a custom section of the screen. You can also capture a video of the entry screen or a custom selection. Here's how to capture what's on your screen. Take a screen grab of the entry screen by using the shift command 3 keyboard shortcut. Otherwise, open the screenshot tool with the shift command 5. Then select the capture entry screen button and press computer to capture to specific part of your screen. Use the shift command for shortcut to change your pointer into cross hair. You can click and drag the cross hair so it covers the area you wish to capture. Let go to grab the selected area or press the S key to escape key to cancel. Hold down the shift key while dragging to lock the or vertical movement of the box. Holding the option key will allow you to scale the size of the selection. If you hold down the space bar, you can move the selection to a different location. Alternatively, you can open the screenshot tool and select the computer select window button to create a pre-made selection on the screen. Move the dotted line into place, then press capture to take a screenshot of that section of the screen. To take a screenshot of a specific window or menu, press shift command 5 and select the capture select window option in the toolbar. The pointer will change into a camera icon. Move the camera over a window to highlight it, then click to save the image. You can also switch back and forth between capturing a custom selection and grabbing a specific menu by hitting the space bar. If you have a Mac with a touch bar, you can take a screenshot of that too. All you have to do is press the shift command 6 shortcut to create an image of just the touch bar screen. Record video of the entry screen by pressing shift command 5, then selecting record entry screen. Select record selected partition instead. If you want to take a video of just a